Have you considered diving into the real estate market? Embarking on this journey might seem daunting given the myriad of properties and investment routes available. Identifying your ultimate investment objective can guide you toward choosing the right category of property for your venture. Ever wondered how owning a rental property could bolster your earnings? Which kind of real estate is the ideal starting point for you? Stay tuned to discover the ins and outs of initiating your real estate investment in the scenic state of Colorado. Research Colorado real estate markets. A thorough investigation is the crucial groundwork to be laid before bringing any financial discussions to the table. Delving into the figures can provide a clearer perspective on the potential yields from a home purchase. Opting for rental properties in prime condition can offer you a head start, conserving your resources and time as you embark on your real estate journey. If you're finding value in this guide, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights like this and to stay updated on mastering the real estate market. Let's continue to expand your investment savvy together. Pick a location. After conducting due diligence on various real estate markets, you're now poised to select the locale for your investment. Choosing an excellent spot can amplify the profitability of your venture, especially if the region is on an upward trajectory of growth in the coming years. Channeling funds into regions that lack a solid track record of returns could escalate the stakes for your inaugural investment endeavor. Decide whether to buy or finance. Do you possess the liquidity to buy the property in full? What sort of loan could you be eligible for? Assessing your financial capacity for this investment is a vital step before initiating any transactions. Understanding your budgetary constraints is key to determining your spending limit without compromising your financial security. Seek help with property management. As a novice, you'll find there's a wealth of knowledge to absorb. Mastering the nuances of property management might exceed the time you have available. Enlisting the services of a firm to handle this aspect of your investment may prove to be a wise strategy. Such companies leverage their expertise and collective resources to provide an all-encompassing management solution for both you and your investment property. Continue growing your investing portfolio. The secret to advancing in real estate investment lies in not limiting yourself to a single rental property. Once the revenue starts flowing favorably, it's time to consider expanding your portfolio with additional properties. Discovering a district that resonates with you could open doors to further investment opportunities within a close-knit area. Start investing today. Having gleaned insights on kickstarting your venture into Colorado's real estate scene, you can gradually embark on the quest for a worthy investment property in this region. We invite you to view our other videos for guidance on streamlining the management of any new properties you venture into. Visit our channel for additional informative content akin to this one. As you embark on this exciting journey towards securing your piece of Colorado's real estate, remember that the principles of investment and property management you've learned here can serve you well beyond the Rocky Mountain borders. If the thrill of investment has piqued your interest, why not explore new horizons? For instance, the vibrant and ever-evolving market of Las Vegas real estate offers unique opportunities that could complement your investment portfolio. Click on the video on your screen now to see how the bustling desert metropolis can be your next strategic move in real estate investment.